Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another free real life stock review. It's Friday. We're going to talk about the markets, and guys, this will be your last reminder to join the free week before it starts. So just before I do get started, guys, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au, come up here, click the free week button and get yourself involved, get signed up. It's completely free, only 3 days left, 2 hours, and we will be doing a whole bunch of analysis, guys. You'll be able to experience our real life trading room in Australia, guys, in Australia. That's right. So come join the room, guys. It's completely free, no credit card, no nothing, just pure greatness. That I want to share some knowledge with you guys. But we'll dive into the markets. The SPY. So we did get a really nice gap down last night in the overnight session. It was a gap and go. So if you take a look at the 5 minute here, we really did just kind of sell off at open. And as soon as that kind of double bottomed, we had a really nice double bottom. Beautiful retest. I'll kind of zoom in here. I mean, this is just a textbook double bottom here, guys. Textbook breakout, retest of the neckline, and then there's your 10 out of 10 Morningstar reversal pattern, guys. So, I mean, we talk about this in real life trading. You learn about it in all our courses, which our courses are 100% free. So, make sure you get yourself an account at reallifetrading.com.au. But, guys, the SPY is no longer looking that weak. So, if you are looking at hedging against the market, I mean, I think we're going to start picking up some steam here, guys. This is pretty much it. I did mention that we're probably going to trade. We're going to break out and trade sideways for a little bit, and that's what we've been doing. We've been pretty much 100% correct most of the time, and it is about to go higher. SPY moving on up. Here's the E-minis pulling back slightly, obviously from this previous resistance level. Sensational volume. But, I mean, look at this hammer candle, guys. I mean, that is, although it looks like it's a bearish candle, that is bullish volume all round. So, yeah, we're definitely moving up, guys. It's not going to be long till we start creating some new all-time highs on the overall markets. Few earnings that did come out last night was Amazon. Now, Amazon did report earnings after hours, closing at 30.51. Have a look at the 5 minute, guys. We are gapping up to 3,200. I mean, wow. Absolutely incredible. Just take a look at the news here. Which one was it? Wasn't that one? Where is it? Here we go. Amazon posts the biggest profit ever in the height of the pandemic. I mean, this is just absolutely incredible. Super, super good. Also, guys, there was another really great earnings report coming out next on Apple, which we'll talk about in just a second. But Amazon, guys, sensational gap. It is gapping up to a resistance level. So personally, I'm not going to be overly bullish at this point. But yeah, well done, Amazon. Jeff Bezos just adding more to his net worth. Go, Jeff. Next on the list is Apple. Now, Apple also did report earnings after hours, and what a gap this is. Gapping up to 409. New all-time high, guys. And what's interesting about this is they also did report that they are doing a 4-to-1 stock split. So, where is it here? Apple, iPhone maker announced a 4-to-1 stock split at the start of trading on August 31st. So, I mean, Apple's stock surged over 300% since 2014, since their last stock split. And a 4-to-1, guys. I mean, that's just going to bring the Apple stock back down to about $100 and some change. Yeah. Hashtag buy the dip on Apple. Can't be bearish on a company that makes over $500 million a day. So, Apple moving on up. New all-time highs. It will most likely have a small dip. I do expect us to probably dip back down to about 400 and then probably look to catch a bounce in the afternoon session. Here's the ASX 200. I did mention that we'll probably go lower back down to the 50 after we hit this red box. You can see here we're at the 50 and we're bouncing. That's probably it, guys. This is probably going to be it. We've got really nice volume, sensational looking hammer candle, and now I do expect us to bounce. Here's Flight Center. Now, Flight Center also looking quite delicious. We are bottoming out here. So the good thing about Flight Center, guys, we have got this sensational double bottom forming right now, but look at the volume coming in. It is stacking on in right now. So we have had, this is the second bounce that we've had at this particular level in the last 2 weeks with volume. So just keep an eye out for Flight Center, guys. It probably is going to start moving on up very, very soon. Here's COLs. Now COLs is actually going to pull back a little bit. This is a bearish engulfing candle. I know we did create another higher high, but this is most likely going to pull back. Probably do need to pull back down to about the 50, take us back to this particular resistance level around $17.40, and then from there, guys, I mean, earnings is just around the corner, and I do expect them to absolutely smash earnings. So we'll see. We'll wait and see how COLs goes, but most likely it's going to be a nice little gap up on COLs. Crude oil breaking down. So crude oil has actually, has been consolidating sideways just below the 200, and I have mentioned I'm not going to be bullish on crude until we break this 200 simple moving average. Now we did break this ascending wedge. We broke out on not really that much volume. It was really nice volume, but then we had the very nice reversal here with this bearish candle, and anything could have happened, and we got this sensational bearish candle closing lower. So from here, guys, I do expect us probably to trade up a little bit higher, and then probably another fall, just creating these nice lower highs here. Now, if you guys are in that swing trading room, pretty much since the dawn of time, probably back here and back here and back here, I've been mentioning to everyone that gold is going to $2,000 per ounce. I've been extremely bullish on gold pretty much all year, and right now we are almost there. The high of today is 1997. So I did mention we'll probably hit 2,000 this week, and we may get there this evening. So we'll have to watch and wait and see how we go with gold. But well done to everyone who did buy the dip on gold back down at this level. Well done to all my traders at Real Life Trading. And last but not least, the Aussie dollar. I also did mention that the Aussie dollar is going to 72 cents. I have been mentioning this since since back here. Since back here, I was mentioning we're going to 72 cents. Just from this particular breakout, this was a sensational dip buying opportunity. 73 guys is the next resistance level, and from there, I'm just going to expect us probably to consolidate sideways for a little bit. Just kind of hang out, let the moving averages catch up, probably come back down to the 50, and then maybe we'll just bounce on up from there. That's all I've got for you guys. Now remember, next week, the free week does start. If you haven't signed up, here's your last reminder. I'll remind you twice in this video. Make sure you guys get there. It's a sensational community to be a part of, and you guys get to experience it for free. We talk about a whole bunch of different strategies, guys. Heaps of in-depth stock analysis, both fundamental and technical. You're going to learn a whole bunch of stuff, and I am absolutely thrilled to be your teacher through all of this as well. So have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week, and until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.